Hello. Welcome back to the channel, man. Wow. Thanks for stopping in, man. Today we're going to be talking about, what are we talking about? What's up, boys and girls? It's your boy Ben B on the MT. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Gangsters! What's up? It's your boy Ben B on the MT from Spin City Homes, coming at you with another video, man. Diving into the mods I got on the MT-07. It's really nothing right now. It's actually all just cosmetic stuff. Hey, man, so we're gonna find a spot, park the bike, let you guys know what's on the bike, and then we'll get back on. All right, man, so we got to the spot. It's my 2020 Yamaha MT-07. So I guess we'll start off with the front of the bike, man. I did get some Amazon levers, or like, for what they are, I mean, they're Amazon levers, so I wouldn't expect them to be like, you know, anything better than Amazon levers, but they do their job. They are adjustable. Actually, I think they were like 20 bucks. So go check that out, Amazon. Also, these mirrors are from Amazon. They're like 40 bucks. If you like Amazon, this is the Amazon bike for you, man. Anyways, going down to the lights, man. We've got TST front and rear turn signal setup. I guess it doesn't really count for the rear because it's an integrated tail light. There's the tail light. It's also got the hazards and also turn signals, so you get your left and right. Got that off TST. I got the front turn signals off TST, and this right here, Impact Tech crash cage, with the sub cage, adjustable sub cage, I guess. For the most part, the bike's pretty much just cosmetic stuff. Well, not for the most part. Everything about the bike that I've put on is cosmetic. Shout out to Steve for putting on the crash cage. Oh, I didn't show you guys the front turn signals. Oh, where's my key? Yeah, there are the front turn signals. My crash cage is actually rubbing on that, which is kind of not funny, but kind of odd because that side doesn't touch at all, but this side does. They're still functional, so whatever. I got the cage in candy apple red. Super easy to install. There's actually not a lot of videos on how to do it. Good thing my boy Steve was there. Yeah, I think that does it for the mods. All right, man, well, there you got it. That's the modifications I have on the bike right now. Eventually I'd like to get a different seat, exhaust for sure, and a tuner, but you know, since I live in California, it's going to be kind of hard to get parts because we want to save the planet, stuff like that, whatever's. Oh, I thought that was my buddy. That was not my buddy. Anyways, and with all that being said, man, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and press that button, man. Don't be a square. Anyways, man, thanks for watching, dude. I love you.